Hello everyone. So in the last episode we have learned how to create square shape using Scratch. So now we will learn how to draw other polygons as well. To start drawing we need pen extension, and we can find the pen extension from this bottom left side block. We need to go there and click on pen. So as you can see, whenever I'll click on pen block, these are the commands that I'll get. So for drawing a triangle, I'll be clicking on the events block. I'll bring the green whenever the green flag is clicked. I'll go to motion blocks. I want to make my triangle little big, so I'll make it 200 steps, and I will turn it into, as triangle has three sides and a regular polygon is considered to be as 360-degree complete diagram. So we'll divide 360 by 3. We'll get 120. So we need to turn 120 degree for drawing a triangle. We need to go to pen commands. First of all, we need to erase. If anything on the screen is there, it will first erase that. Then I need to click on pen down. I need to set my pen size. I'm going to change my pen size to 5. And here are my triangle commands, but as you know the triangle has three sides, so I need to use repeat 3 times for drawing a square. Even I can set a pen color as well. Go to pen block and you can set the pen color from here as well by choosing, let me go with red, and I'll bring this block here. Now, whenever the green flag is clicked, it's going to erase, it will pen down, change pen size by 5. Okay, it is saying change pen size. I don't want to change pen size, I want to set pen size. Change pen size and set pen size are two different blocks. Change will do automatically, it's going to change it again and again and again by 5. And if I'll set, so it will stay fixed for the whole program. So whenever the green flag is clicked, it will draw a triangle for me. And if I want it to draw it forever, I'll use forever block. I'll put it after, okay, let's this under this. And now I will just remove the set pen color and I'll bring to change pen color button. Now let's see. Whenever the green flag is clicked, it will draw a triangle. It will change the pen color by 10 every time it moves. And for triangle, it has 3 sides, so that we have taken 3 repeat blocks.